Today I want to talk to you about Discrete Lean Management, which is a MES type system that is defined around how you can improve productivity within your plant. So a lot of plants have little pieces and parts that they make. Schneider, for example, has 70 plants that have incorporated this product in there to help improve efficiencies within their plants. They have increased their productivity by 10%, and they found that response time to problems in the plant having dramatically increased by 75% faster getting out there to fix the issue. So I'm going to do a demo and show you what it does. So the Discrete Lean Management software is a very easy to configure system. You simply go up here into the settings. Everything is done from an online running system. So you can come in here and easily put together your plant by going to General Settings and picking which modules you would like to work with in the DLM environment. Basically, there's 4 modules right now. You have and-on, you have a performance module, a work instruction module, and a work order management module. Then you're basically going to start setting physical locations. This is going to be how your plant is configured, how product flows through your plant. Once you have all those in place and what assets and machines are under each of those, you simply come in and define what is the family of products that you plan to build. Once those families are defined, you just keep moving through here and define exactly what products you're using. But you can see that you can add departments, user titles, your users that plan to use it. Operators all have to have a unique login, so each operator would then be put in with their own operation ID. You also define the shifts that your particular plant is planning to use. You can then look at a dashboard, which will give you an overview of how the plant is doing for all production at this time. At the operation is where things are really going to start working for you. Basically, under and-on, you're going to be able to determine if you have issues in your plant. This particular one is looking at manual line M1. So once I pick what area I want to look at, it will then give you all the information about that area. In this case, I see that I have one maintenance problem in that area right now. If I click on that, I can then look at this and go, okay, I see what's going on, or I have looked at the issue. It tells me I've got a system dirty, for example. I've looked at it. I said I got a dirty system because that was something that I put in my predefined things that I can put in. I would then put some kind of comment in here. And then we record that and report the issue. So that actually just defined a brand new maintenance error that I wanted to look at.